Hello everyone. I hope you are all are doing great. Welcome back to another video. Today's video is also about Microsoft Excel's three basic functions, which are count, which is used to count the total number of values, total number of products, total number of the rows which are filled with the data, and the second function is maximum, which is used to find the maximum, the highest value in large number of data. And the third function is minimum, which is used to find the smallest minimum and the lowest value in a big number of data. We can do these three functions manually and through automatically. There's also an option which is built in by Microsoft Excel to perform these three functions. We will do both by manually and through automatically. Okay, so I'm going to perform it manually first. Simply type is equals to, write down count, count, brackets open, then select the column from top to bottom and close the brackets and then press enter. So it gives me a number 3792. It means total number of values here, the total number of rows are filled with data are 3722. Now let's do the second function. Type is equals to sign, then type maximum max brackets open, then select the data. Remember, only select the data, not the rows with the headings. So just select the column from top to bottom again and close the brackets. Here it gives an value, the highest one, the maximum one, which is 99 lakhs 9098. Now come to the third function. Type is equals to, write minimum min brackets open, go to the top and select the whole column from top to bottom, only the values, brackets close, then enter. The minimum, the smallest, the lowest value is 0. As you can see, here is the 0 and it gives us the 0 exactly the same. Now let's do it by performing it automatically. Simply select the column from top to bottom, then on the right top corner here is an option, here is a feature built in the drop down menu. You can see count numbers, click on it and it will give us the same result we get it before manually, 3792. Now again select the complete column, go to the right top corner and select the maximum. It will give us the same result, 99 lakhs 998. Now let's perform the last minimum feature. Select the whole column from the top right corner drop down menu, select the minimum. Here you can see the same result it gives us the before, it is 0. So these are the three basic functions to check maximum value, the minimum value, and to count the total number of values in the Excel. Thank you.